Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. Now I'm doing a follow-up for you on the oil drain plug that had no seal and the oil filter housing that was leaking on the 2010 4Runner Limited. So what I found out when I took it apart is the housing, I almost couldn't get it off. It was on so tight. I had to use a 1/2 inch ratchet to get it off. Then this seal that goes on here, it's all flabby. It's all, when I took it off, the seal was already falling off itself from the threads. So it's just a huge problem. No one's changed that seal for at least several oil changes. The bottom seal on the little drain, someone's changed that one. That one was okay. There's the filter. Here's whatever kind of, I don't know what that is, silicone or something they put on there. Okay, so now we'll go up to the vehicle. And you can see it actually has a drain plug seal ring on there now. So now you can tell the difference. It's pretty clear when you see the seal ring in there whether a vehicle has one or not. The thread didn't look too damaged. The drain plug still looked okay, and the threads in the pants still looked okay. It was in pretty tight though. So and the torque they're calling for is 30 foot-pounds. Okay, then we go up to the housing here. You can see it's a whole different look now. And cleaned up all the oil that was all leaking around there, and cleaned up down here a little bit. So that's how it's supposed to look. If oil's gonna spill and something's gonna happen, all you gotta do is clean it off when you get done. So that's how that housing's supposed to look. There's a new O-ring there. There's a new O-ring up inside of here now, and there's a new filter inside of there. And I've already test ran the vehicle to make sure there's no leaks anywhere. So one more little quick recap. So you can tell right away if there's a drain plug seal or not. It's super obvious. And that's why the people that worked on it before at the dealership, they obviously, you know, I don't really think they care. It's just small little details. It doesn't take that long to do it. And this is from Identifix, and Identifix copies it right from the manufacturer. So it's just, they've got the same software I got. I just don't think anyone wants to use it, and there's such a big hurry. This O-ring, this is like really, really bad when it's just falling off by itself once it comes out, because it makes it hard to get the filter back off again. The housing doesn't want to come off. It's stuck in there. So that's a little tip from John Sadler's. Be careful where you go. Just because it has a big name doesn't mean anything. You're almost better off these days from all this I've seen lately. Find a good little independent place like myself. Let them help you. Let them put all the old parts like I do on the bench. Show everybody everything they've done. Go for a test drive with them. Then they're so happy they're glad to pay. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.